Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Town. Tonight I'm going to show you how to test your battery with a battery tester. Now most shops will do this test and they charge you about 50 bucks. And with this little device here, which I purchased for $60, you can do it yourself. This I got from Amazon, and I will put a link down in the description below. And I can do 3 tests: the battery, the alternator, and the starter. And you can do it in and out of the vehicle. So I'm going to start with the battery and vehicle and just do the battery test. And the first thing that comes up after I've made my selections: check surface charge, turn lights on. Leave headlights on for about 10 seconds and turn lights off. So I'm going to go do that. Okay, I've done that. And it's a regular flooded battery. And then you can select which test you want to do. Different batteries have different ratings. This battery, it says on the cold cranking amp, so I'm going to use CCA. And on the battery it says 710, so I'm going to change that to 710. And keep in mind, this is the original battery from the truck, new in 2014. So we're testing. So it says the battery is about 45% healthy, 74% charge, and good battery. So I don't know why this healthy is fairly low. My other battery I tested, one that was dead got a 0%, and my other battery got 34. So I don't know, but it's saying it's good battery, so that's good for a 6-year-old battery. I'm sure it's fine. It's only giving it a rating of 530 cold cranking amps and 12.4 volts, 74% charge. So that kind of makes sense. The last time this truck was driven, it was only driven for a few minutes, so it probably isn't a full charge. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.